I have the A-pillar cut off here. I have the inner valance removed from the front, from here, all the way across. I created a piece that I cut off with my plasma cutter that's going to go here. So this is actually to give the support for the A-pillar tab. So it's going to be it's going to fit there. It's actually going to weld to the edge of this piece right here, right there. It's these spot welds, I got to remove and clean this off. They're very difficult to get to. So I got those stuff that's on my task list to do. Now, this is the whole thing. I basically grinded it down here, but this thing is not really coming off, so I'm going to continue grinding that down. The hardest part is under here. There's still pieces of, there's a small piece here, and this is the whole flap here. This piece right here is the emergency brake brace. This needs to weld to the front of the new inner valance. Cleaned off the passenger side. As you can see, I tried to plasma cut this little piece off because it's really hard to get up in here. I'm trying not to remove the floor. And under here I have this piece I need to grind off or continue chiseling off. I might buy a electric chiseler. And here I'm getting this prepared to be cut out. This is the A-pillar on the passenger side because I'm actually going to remove the dog leg from this side, which is, the dog leg is considered the fender for a VW bus. I jacked up this piece right here. Was trying to hold on for a second. So here I cut out a donor piece and was planning on welding that into here, but my cut is pretty bad off. Might not be too bad, but as you can see, this fitting into here, I was a little off, but it could be okay. I'm gonna play around with it, see if I can get it to fit in there like that, but it leaves too much gaps. But I bought online, a guy actually had a, he actually needed to repair this side, so he has a quarter or half front nose clip that basically runs right along here, right under here. So what I'm going to do, I bought the extra other half from him. He was working on the opposite side, which is really good. And I believe it comes down to here. I'm going to replace this whole section here because as you can see, he's got these reverse hammer holes in it that was put in there before I got it. And I'm probably going to patch in the piece from here, or maybe I'll just take it out of this extra one I have over here. This section right here, it's a rust hole here, filler rust hole here, and on this side I have the same thing, rust hole here. Inside of this container, from the front nose clip that I had, that I cut this from, I'm going to patch in two pieces, one strip here, and then one long strip here. So then the nose will be complete. I have the a replacement nose tip. Hold on for a second, I'll show you that. And I have this replacement nose clip. I mean, it's a little high right now. I just have it holding up on screwdrivers. That's going to complete the bottom portion of the nose. So this whole front nose is going to be hacked up. I think I spent like about, let me see, I spent $100 for this front nose that was rusted at the bottom. I spent $100 for this piece here, the nose tip, and this quarter, the quarter piece over there. That's going to basically, well, it's actually a half. If this is cut off here, I'm not going to cut this across. I'm going to try to keep this original front nose piece there. but it goes all the way across to about here. And I'm gonna, I got that for $130 with shipping. So 100, just like 330 to get a brand new front nose. It will cost me $675 plus shipping is about $100. So about $800. So I'm saving about $400 basically trying to piece this together. Hopefully it looks seamless, and I'm not going to regret that I just didn't pull this whole front off. The problem is here is that trying to get the new one to mate under this without this this is difficult. So it's beyond my skills. Actually, I saw a couple of videos online that goes over this process, and I don't think I have that type of skills. But who knows? If all fails, I spent $400, and I'll be spending another $600, $800, $800, and that'll be $1,200 to replace this front nose. You know, but an education costs some money, so I'm not really worried about that. I'm just trying to stay focused. Okay.